6 Laws of Maturity. 1. Stop telling people everything. Most people don't care, and some secretly want you to fail. 2. Choose your friends wisely. The fastest way to become better is to surround yourself with better people. 3. Expect nothing, appreciate everything. Be grateful for the little things in your life to find inner peace. 4. Do your best and trust the process. The harder you work, the luckier you will get. 5. Control yourself, not others. Controlling others is strength. Controlling yourself is true power. And 6. Learn to react less. When you control your reaction, nobody can manipulate you.